Hello, Katden lovers and Katden followers. Abay, Miss Catherine Bernardo, meron po siyang revelation patungkol sa kanyang pinagdadaanan. Isang napakaganda at napaka-sexing Miss Catherine Bernardo that even Mr. Robby Domingo ay talaga namang napawaw sa itsura at sa damit, no, na talagang isinuot nitong si Miss Catherine para sa kanilang MediaCon today at yung kanila pong parang first day kung saan parang practice, no, yung kanila buhay pinakita. Kaya pala yung contestant that time is parang wala sa hulog. Hindi ganong agagaling, pero parang sinubukan lang muna sila. Parang trial and error ganon. Pero may 5,000 pesos. At kasabay nga nito, talagang trending po si Miss Catherine Bernardo sa isang mapanukso. At talaga namang kakaiba na kanyang suot dito po sa PJT, no? At talagang super sexy itong si Miss Catherine. Pero mas nag-trending.
So the question is, you've spoken about stepping out of your comfort zone recently. What's the bravest thing you've done for yourself? Also, what does being a woman of power mean to you?
Wow, wala siya here? That was your question. Okay, sorry, what's the first question? Let's start from there.
What's the bravest thing you've done for yourself
Recently. Today.
Today?
The bravest thing I've done for myself. Sheesh. Siguro, I don't know, I'm at a point I'm turning 29, right, in a few days. So, I'm at a point in my life again wherein I feel so lost. And I felt this, I remember when I parang gave a message for our Thanksgiving party for House of Us. This was the same feeling. I didn't expect na mafe-feel ko ulit to, pero siguro it's part of you know, adulting and growing. And nararamdaman ko siya ngayon, just like everybody else. I don't know kung nararamdaman to talaga kapag medyo ganitong age ka na, but it's hitting me hard. And to be honest, I'm so scared, I'm so lost, but I think it's so brave na every day I show up, just like what Donnie said kanina. I show up and I choose to grow and accept all the uncertainties. Because, I don't know, bigla ko lang siyang na-feel na, of course, after Hello Love Again, and now I'm doing PGT, pero may feeling lang ako na parang iba. And I think siguro birthday blues na to, my quarter life crisis, na parang, what's next for me? Parang I'm feeling all these emotions. So feeling ko it's just brave na tinanggap ko yun. I'm allowing myself to be vulnerable. I have my days. And hindi ko rin tinatago sa mga tao. So now, I think part of me growing is me getting my own place as well. And I think it's like my transition stage. I'd like to call this my transition stage na feeling ko kasi yung the next coming years is very, very important kasi yun yung magdidictate kung saan ako sa future. It's not na parang, okay, I'm in my early 20s, ito pa, dami ko pang time para matuto. Pero ngayon, parang iba pala pag magto-29. So I'm feeling that. So feeling ko getting my own place, it's a big adjustment for me, my family, especially my mom, but it's my way of getting to know myself more and growing. So yes, I'm scared. I don't know what will happen. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm just here for it. I'm just very open and I'm here for growth. So wish me luck in the coming months. I'm just accepting and I just want to feel everything right now.
And yung next question po, Miss Kat.
Ay, sorry! May next question ka pa pala.
Yes,
sorry.
Ikinagulat ng maraming mga netizen ang ilan sa mga pag-amin ni Miss Catherine Bernardo. The kapamilya actress Catherine Bernardo shared how she allowing herself to be vulnerable at a time when she's about to turn a year older during the media conference of the upcoming season of Pilipinas Got Talent, where she named as one of the judges. The award-winning star expressed how she has her days as well. So, sabi niya, Catherine is set to turn 29 years old this coming March 26. She admitted how she feel lost in her life and recalled how she had the same feelings several years ago. Sabi niya, I'm turning 29 years old in a few days. I'm at the point in my life again wherein I feel lost, so lost. I felt this. I remember when I gave message for the Thanksgiving party of the House of Us. This was the same feeling she shared. So, sinabi ni Miss Sa, pag sinabi mo kasing lost, parang parang ang nawawala ka or parang wala yung sense of direction mo, ganon, no? And medyo malawak kasi yung salitang lost, diba? Sabi niya, the Kapamilya stars added that she didn't expect to feel it again but acknowledged how it a part of adulting and growing. She expressed how scared she is about it but still continues to move forward and rise above it. Sabi niya, to be honest, I'm so scared, I'm so lost, but I think it's so brave na everyday I show up just like what Donnie's Pangilinan said kanina. I show up and choose to grow and accept all the uncertainties because I don't know, bigla ko lang siyang na-feel, sabi niya. Kaya Sabi nga, Catherine maintain that whatever she's feeling, it's probably her birthday blues or quarter life crisis. Despite of all the emotion, she chooses to allow herself to become vulnerable and feel all of these feelings. These things, something she wants to normalize. Parang what's the next for me? Parang I'm feeling all this emotion. Feeling ko, it's just a brave na tinanggap ko yun. I'm allowing myself to be vulnerable. I have my days and hindi ko na yun tinatago sa mga tao, she said. Meanwhile, she revealed that she, in her transition age, as she moved to her own place, she admitted that it was an easy decision, but it is something that needed to be done in order for her to grow as a person. So, parang sinasabi niya dito na parang magdaan na siya, no? Parang ito yung pagkakaunawa ko na parang magsasarili na si Miss Catherine, no? Dahil napatayuan niya na ng sariling bahay yung kanyang mga magulang, siguro this time, yung sarili niya naman. Kasi at the age of 30, lahat po ng mga kabatch nitong si Miss Catherine, halos karamihan, mga nagsipag-asawa na. Nandun na sila sa transition age po nila na kung saan may sarili-sarili na silang pamilya. Pero eto siya, 29 years old, but still, she feel lost, no? Kahit pala sobrang dami ng mga successful things and yung success na career na meron si Miss Catherine, still, nakaramdam pa rin pala siya ng ganyan katinding emosyon. So, sabi niya, it's like, I'd like to call this my transition stage na feeling ko kasi in the next coming years, it is very, very important kasi yun yung magdidictate kung saan ako sa future. It's my way of getting know myself more and growing. Yes, I'm scared. I don't know what would happen. I don't know if I could do, but I'm just very open and I'm here for growth. So wish me luck in the coming months, sabi niya. So, yun po yung ilan sa mga statement ni Miss Catherine Bernardo na talaga naman nagpawaw sa maraming mga manonood. Kasi, kung titignan natin si Catherine, parang sobrang tapang niya, diba? Parang sobrang successful ng buhay niya. Halos lahat na ata nasa kanya. Pero, sa kaloob-looban niya, meron pa rin siyang nararamdamang takot. Ano na nga ba ang susunod na buhay ni Catherine, diba? Ano na nga ba si Catherine on the next coming years? Yun po yung mga tanong niya. Pero sabi niya nga, isaharapin niya raw yun ang buong tapang, no? At hindi siya matatakot kung ano man po yung darating. And dahil dyan, abangan po natin sila, no? Dito po sa latest edition ng Pilipinas Got Talent starting this May 29 and 30. Kasama niya po dyan si Miss Eugene Domingo, Donnie Pangilinan, and Freddy FNG Reyes in a judging panel. So, ito po yung pinakabagong journey ni Miss Catherine bilang isa sa mga judge po ng nasabing PGT. At alam ko po na ito po yung isa sa mga pinakabago kasi this is gonna be the first time na gagawin ni Miss Catherine Bernardo yung ganitong act at talagang medyo bago talaga sa kanya to. Kaya nga ang dami pong nambabash sa kanya na parang sinasabi na bakit si Catherine ang pinaupo sa judging panel. Samantalang mas marami pa raw naman na mas pa deserving. So this time, isa rin siguro yan sa mga takot ni Miss Catherine dahil pwede siyang ma-judge or what, diba? Pero sa naman sa punto naman ng kanyang pag-judge or sa kanya pong mga kung paano siya magsalita, kung paano niya kinikerry yung sarili niya, I think she deserved to be one of the judging panel dyan sa Pilipinas Got Talent. So, much better siguro, bago po sana husga ng isang Catherine Bernardo, tignan nyo rin po kung ano po yung mga naabot ni Catherine. Kasi, isa rin po siya sa mga Pilipino na may talento. Kaya nga tinawag na Pilipinas Got Talent. So, abangan nyo po yung kanilang first na this will be start on March 29 and 30. So, kita-kita po tayo sa Pilipinas Got Talent. And that's it for today. For more videos and updates, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And please don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Dar Eds TV. God bless everyone!